Hello, my name is Janice Singh. I'm the managing attorney here at Campos Law Firm. I oversee family law and criminal defense department. Uh, One thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is that it is so important to get a lawyer now more than ever. It is very important to get an attorney at the beginning of your case. The minute you get a ticket, the minute you are aware that a divorce is filed against you. We have seen so many instances where clients come to us at the last minute and we have very limited time, we have very limited option. So one of the examples is there was a family law client who came to us. His divorce has been pending since April of last year. He has been going through the entire process without an attorney, while his wife actually has an attorney, and he comes to us a couple of days before his final hearing. At that point, we have to do a lot of catch up and a lot of work in a short amount of time. It is so important for clients to come to us at the very beginning of their divorce case. It gives us so much more time. It also gives us more time to negotiate with the other person, and then potentially we can come to agreements that's favorable to you. Similarly to a family law case, it is so important the minute you get a ticket, the minute you get arrested, to come to us so that you can have good advice. Please remember, we do free consultations. So all of the attorneys here are willing to talk to you about your specific case and specific strategies moving forward for free. So do not hesitate to contact us. One of the examples that we have been seeing is clients would get a ticket, and they'll wait, and unfortunately they miss a court date because they get confused or they lose their ticket somewhere. And then what happens is they get arrested and pulled over by the police, and ICE picks them up and they get detained. We don't want that to happen to you. Those are very dangerous situations you're putting yourselves in. So it is very important the minute you get a ticket or you get arrested to come to us so you can talk to us. Even if you don't have a ticket or you don't have an arrest warrant, even if you're being investigated by the police, if the police calls you and say, hey, can I talk to you? And you get scared and you want to talk to an attorney, do not hesitate to talk to us, because we also handle those kinds of cases where, let's say, you're being investigated by a police and you don't know what to do. So it is very crucial that you have an attorney with you when you're talking to the police or any other law enforcement. We have seen instances where clients hire us from the very beginning, the minute they get a ticket or the minute they get arrested, and we're able to start getting the evidence in their case and then talk to them about specific strategies. So by the time the client goes to court for the first time, they're fully prepared. Sometimes we're even able to do a virtual appearance where clients appear online or by the phone, so they don't have to go to the courthouse altogether. This minimizes any sort of contact with ICE at the courthouses. That's really, really important for our clients, so that they remain safe for them and their families. Sometimes if we're able to be hired from the beginning, we're able to investigate their case and talk to them about whether or not we fight the charges in their case. Just because you're arrested or you're given a ticket, it doesn't mean that you're guilty. A lot of times our clients are charged with especially in traffic cases like careless driving, those kinds of tickets. And a lot of times they're misunderstood. They're not actually guilty. The facts doesn't line up to these charges. And we're able to fight these charges from the beginning. And we want you to be able to tell your story to the prosecutor and to the judge. And the only way you can do that is through an attorney. So contact Campos Law Firm today. Do not hesitate and schedule a free consultation with us today.